Hello, it's me, the kind and wonderful Professor Chen. Also, I might add, very merciful too. I'm here to introduce the project number 1 for Micah Richardson and Connor Dysler. I know. Impossible, so it's scary these days. Well, for our project 1, I'd like to discuss our problem statement, our methodology, our experimental phase, and what we have learned as a group. Now, I want to start off with the problem statement. First, I want to discuss our problem statement. What we wanted to start with was to create an AI that can learn how to guess Yelp star ratings based off the text of a review. Specifically, we wanted to solve the problem by following the specifications given to us by our professor, which included, the TF IDF model, and that's just looking from the problem, just from looking at the specifications. The regression model made the most sense because we were looking for a number from the neural network's output. With our methodology, our first task was to convert the PDFs into TSVs. We ended up using the sample code to convert our sample data set reviews into the TSV files, and we use it to convert the dataset business.json, and we also narrowed it down to every business had less than 20 reviews, and by merging the two TSVs together, we were able to create the correct data set that we could extrapolate, and that with the first part done. Next came the part where we had big doo-doo brains. Now I'm not just saying we had doo-doo brains. We had gobbledygook, goblin goop, doo-doo brain, fart brains. Nasty. Really nasty. Can't tell. I'm tired. And, first of all, we would, as we looked into the data that we had, we started to not only tokenize, but also get rid of the stop gaps. We wanted to vectorize, but we realized that we all did it manually, and we didn't even realize that in the lab, you had the whole answer there. Gobbledygook. What we did after that, we decided to also shorten our data sets to smaller data sets instead of large. Instead of 100,000, we just made 100.
You know the thing.
1,000 review tests, made it a lot faster, and we were about to get on to the last phase where we started to test we used the AI to start to test data, but we didn't manage to get that far due to time constraints on our end and our personal lives, and also academic and work related. With our experimental results and analysis, unfortunately, we never made it to reach the experimental phase. We just got there, but we had a glimpse to how the data could be manipulated, using the atom, the thing, the word, corn pop, and then, for optimization, and then, we ended up getting to that part, but we were close. For task division, and project reflection. Okay, early on we decided to use paired programming. It helped us catch code, and especially because we were away, but we could, obviously share our screens and also monitor each other. It was a lot easier since we couldn't work together directly. And we found success correcting each other's mistakes, and that we tried pre-processing strategies and attempt to make the data better, but we kept going in circles. There's just a whole bunch of, we didn't know what we were doing at all. And I really wish that I actually knew how to program in Python in the beginning, but it's so simple once you even just start it. And of course, my R code is just, like I said, gobbledygook. It's disgusting. And but there's much to improve on. One thing we learned too late, that we should do data sets in smaller tests, so that way we aren't waiting 5, 10, 20 minutes for our data to be printed out, because we're going through literally 1 million different entries, because it's a big data set. It's Yelp. Come on. And remember, this is cool guy Connor signing out.